What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I did team up with Grove Collaborative again to bring you guys these free products. So I will have their information in the description box. So if you go and check them out and you go and spend a certain amount, you get all of these products for free. And this is like a value of $30. So you'll get the dish soap, the lotion, the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, and then one of these awesome dish brushes, which is super awesome. I absolutely love it. So you guys should definitely go check them out. I'll have their information down below if you don't know what Grove Collaborative is. So all of their products are green, they're earth friendly, non-toxic, all of that good stuff. I absolutely love them. I've been with them for a year, and make sure you don't miss out on this offer because you will get these products for free if you spend a certain amount, which is really awesome. So you'll get more than what you're actually paying for. So right now my husband is actually going to be cleaning our bedroom and our master bedroom and our master bathroom. He's doing this in honor of Mother's Day. And just because I've been kind of feeling under the weather lately, so he's been helping out a lot and really stepping up and doing some of these chores. So he is going to do his version of a clean with me and just cut him some slack because, you know, he's not like a cleaning guru or anything, but I feel like he did a really good job. I hope you guys get some motivation and inspiration or a good laugh because he is goofy like me. So he had a good time actually cleaning and filming, which was super awesome.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen to the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright.
So my side of the table is going to be super messy, and again, that's because I have been feeling under the weather, taking a lot of meds and doing those things, so that is why it is disgusting.
Sip me up like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet. The sourness will bite your tongue, no one is forever young. No. Listen to the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward.
And I do want to mention that this right here is the bed frame sheet. So we officially have a sheet for that bottom mattress. I know a lot of you guys were asking me for a long time to grab a sheet and put it there because that bottom mattress was just showing gray and it was kind of annoying. But we finally ordered a sheet from Amazon and we went ahead and stuck it on there. So that is super awesome. I do hope everyone had an amazing Mother's Day yesterday and that you guys were celebrated the way that you should be and that you just enjoyed your time with your family. I know I enjoyed my time with my family as best as I could, even being kind of sick, but yeah. So anyway, that is all we have for you. I hope you guys got some motivation from this video or thought it was funny. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great week. I will see you guys very soon. I love you so much, and subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel, and also go ahead and hit that like button. It always helps me out. Bye guys.